Hello everyone, I am Saranya, Assistant Professor in the Department of Graphics and Creative Design of Dr. S.N.S. Rajarashmi College of Arts and Science. In this video, we are going to see about dynamic paradigm in computer modeling and animation. In that Unit 1, topic is interface input in that Blender. What we are thinking about the interface is nothing but it acts in between the two devices which giving response and request. Mostly we are using the interface input as input interface. According to that input we having when we are using it in the Blender, mostly we are using three types, that is mouse, keyboard and a graphics tablet. These are the three main parts that we are using in the Blender screen. Not only in Blender screen, whenever we having the input, this is the most important options we are using. The Blender interface has the three main parts, that is the first one is top bar, that is a main bar, main menu, where it displays the files, saving, exporting, importing and other settings are come under the top bar. The next one is which is in the middle area where we are working, the workspace, that is the main area where the input interface will be working. The next one is the various interface is mouse, keyboard and graphics tablet. These are the most important other than the main parts we are using this interfaces. Mostly it is the top bar, the menu bar and the area we are working. Whenever we are using the input interface, we can work very efficient according to the our needs. Mouse input, we having the three types of clicks in the mouse according to the mouse. The first one is left click. Whenever we are using the left click, we can only select and confirm the action. This is the thing we are using in the mouse option. The next is right click. This right click button is used to displays the drop down menu, that is context menu, and special some functions. Not only all the functions, special some functions we can use the right mouse button. The next is middle button. This is used to give the viewport navigation, that is zoom in, zoom out, the orbit, pan, that everything will be come under the middle mouse button. This is a Blender screen. In that we can use the interface input. According to the interface input, the Blender screen will be work for our purpose. When we are going up and down, zoom in, zoom out, or moving the cursor here and there, left click, right click, selecting the option, that everything will can done according to the mouse click. Here some of the input options are giving, and what that input option is need to do. The first one is action for selecting. Already I said we need to use the left click. The next is view rotate. We can use the middle mouse button for rotating in the Blender screen. Next is zoom in and zoom out. We can use the scroll wheel or control plus middle button to zoom in and zoom out. The next is pan view, that is underground view. That for that we can use the shift and middle mouse button. The next is context menu. For this we can use the right click. According to the right click, we can opens the quick menu, depends upon our context. The next is keyboard shortcuts. Keyboard input. The keyboard plays the major role not only in Blender, in other things also the keyboard plays a major role, because we can use the number of shortcut keys for operating in the Blender screen. The keyboard shortcuts plays the most functions, significantly speeding up our workflow. The next is modifier keys like shift, control, alt. These are the combination to perform with another key for various operations. The next interface is a tablet input. It is a digital sculpting, texture painting. A graphic tablet can provide the precision and a natural feel according to the input devices. Thank you.